What's up, YouTube? So, got a riddle for you today. What does Grant Cardone and a kid on a skateboard have to do with internet marketing? It's all coming up in my review of BOOSTRR. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat, and that's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche, basically to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, really, it's annoying. Stop it already. He's so annoying, that guy. He constantly complains, never stops. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. I love Liz. She's such a sweetheart. Even though she says the same thing every single day. Some people find it boring. I find it great. But anyway, I know as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. And I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. So we are on the sales page for BOOSTRR. Now, this is a really interesting project by James Manoff and Shane Nathan. It's, okay, let me put it to you like this. This is kind of a one-trick pony.
And what does My Little Pony have to do with this?
Not like that kind of a pony. But no, seriously, this is a really, really cool idea that they came up with. Basically, the concept here is to bank off of the good name of people who are better known than you are. So, for example, they bank off of the name of Grant Cardone. When they're doing this, if you don't know who Grant Cardone is, then you probably don't know a whole lot about internet marketing. He is one of the biggest names in the industry. And basically what they did was they were able to get a video of Grant wishing them best of luck with the launch of BOOSTRR and saying that they should 10x it. That's his famous catchphrase, to 10x. And that's basically what the concept is about. Now, you don't need to have access to famous people in order to actually make this thing work. They will show you a secret website that you can actually get this stuff done on. There's a whole bunch of people, not just Grant Cardone. There's a lot of people you can work with for this, and they'll explain exactly how it works, what it's all about, what it costs. It's actually not very expensive to do. It's very easy to make it happen. Now, this is the members area for BOOSTRR. I'm not going to show you the whole thing because I don't want to give away the secrets of BOOSTRR. Because basically the main point of this is, in fact, this new way of doing internet marketing. I just want to show you that I have seen it, and I want to talk to you about my custom bonuses as well, and explain why this whole thing. Let's get that out of the way, actually. What does Grant Cardone and Kid on Skateboard have to do with anything? Well, Grant Cardone I told you about. The Kid on Skateboard is my custom bonus. Basically, I'm giving you two of my high-level courses on sales and marketing. They are one of the things that you're going to hear about in one of my courses is all about a kid on a skateboard. It's one of my favorite analogies that I'm going to explain to you exactly why that matters and what that means as far as being able to build a successful brand online. And when you pick up BOOSTRR, you're going to see this really cool idea that they came up with, this method of basically banking off of other people's credibility. So it's a really nice method. It's currently going, let's see, for what, $12? $12.25. So not a bad price at $12.25. I would say go ahead and grab this. It is a good product, and especially when you get my bonuses, it's a great product. if you pick up both of the upgrades, only 2 upgrades, by the way, it's not one of these things with like a million upgrades. There's only 2 upgrades. You pick up both upgrades, I am giving away either a free copy of my $97 Boost opt-in software, or you can get a video sales letter made by me, custom made for you for your website or whatever it is that you want. So either or, you get to choose one or the other if you pick up both of the upgrades along with the front end of BOOSTRR. So it's a really good deal. Go ahead and grab it. You are going to love it. Belabor upon, but can I tip my hat there? Yes, I am going to tip my hat to Shane and Nathan. Like I said, this is a one-trick pony. So it's not like it's going to give you a whole bunch of different ideas. You'll get a lot more with my custom bonus, so that's going to be worth it to you, I think, because my custom bonus is going to give you a lot more information, a lot more useful stuff. But even on its own, I think BOOSTRR really is worth it because this is a really, really cool idea that I have never thought of, and it's something that I think really you could get a lot out of. So yes, I do recommend it. Go ahead and grab it, and you are going to love it.